बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Students, we start exercise 3.6. Now question number 1 is, if A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, A, B, C, D is not equal to 0, then show that. In this exercise we will use the K method, and we use the K method, and K method is we use the K method, and we show that this side is equal to this side. Here we write here solution A over B is equal to C over D is equal to K. Here A is equal to A, B is equal to K, or here A is equal to BK, and C over D is equal to K, C is equal to DK. Now put these A, C value in this, we get 4 into A is BK minus 9B over A again 4 into BK plus 9B is equal to 4C. We put here 4 into DK, this minus 9D over 4 into also DK, we put the value of C here DK, and plus 9D. Again we write here, we take B common from this, and we write this 4K minus 9. In the denominator we also B common from this, and we also here B this, and K plus 9, this is equal to, we take common D common this, and here 4K minus 9 this over, here we also D common from this D and this D, in the denominator 4K plus 9. Now this D will cancel this and B will cancel this, and we have 4K minus 9 over K plus 4K, here also 4K plus 9 is equal to 4K minus 9 over 4K plus 9. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now this is the first part of first question. Now we solve the second part of this question. Again we put A over B is equal to C over D is equal to K, A over B is equal to K, or A is equal to BK. Similarly, C over D is equal to K, and here C is equal to DK. Now we have put this value and this 6 into BK, this BK, and minus 5B over 6 again, the A is BK, this BK, and plus 5B is equal to, now C is equal to DK, 6 into DK minus 5B over 6 on also C, we will put here DK and plus 5B. Again 6BK minus 5B over 6bk plus 5b is equal to 6dk minus 5d over 6dk plus 5d. We take common b from this and we write this 6k minus 5 over, also we take b common from this and we write 6k plus 5 is equal to, we take d common from this and 6k minus 5 over, also we take b common from this and we have 6k plus 5. Now this d will cancel this b will cancel this, and we have 6k minus 5 over 6k plus 5 is equal to 6k minus 5 over 6k plus 5. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now this is the code here, we show that. Now the question number 3, part 3 of question number 1 is this. We again a over b is equal to c over d is equal to k. From this a over b is equal to k. Here a is equal to bk, this, and c over d is equal to k, and here c is equal to dk. Here we multiply this dk, c1 dk is similarly this a over b, here 1 bk, by putting the value of a is equal to bk and c is equal to dk, then we get, now a is here bk, a is equal to bk, or here in the denominator b is equal to, now under root a here bk, and we square this plus dk, c is equal to here dk. Now we also square over b square plus d square. So again I write this b will cancel this, we have only on the left side k, and here also b square k square plus d square k square over b square plus d square. Now this again k is equal to, we take k square common from this and inside b square plus d square and over also b square plus d square. Now this will cancel this and we have k is equal to under root k square, and k is equal to square root of this is equal to k. This k is equal to k square, this will cancel this k square, the square root of k square is equal to k. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side, this. Now we solve the question number 4, part number 4. On the part number 4 is a6 plus c6 is equal to b6 d6 a3 c3 ratio b3 d3. We write in fraction form a6 plus c6 over b6 plus d6 is equal to a3 c3 over b3 and d3. We again a over b is equal to k is equal to this, here we write a over b, c over d is equal to k. A is equal to bk, and here c over d is equal to k, and here c is equal to dk. By putting A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK, then we get, now here A6 BK, now we write square 6 plus C is equal to DK, we also put C 6 over B6 plus D6 power 6 is equal to, here also A3 BK, now 3 into CK, C is equal to DK, we have also write 3 over B3 and D3, you again B6 and K6 plus D6 K6 over B6 plus D6, this power 6, this is equal to B3 K3 and multiply B3 and K3 over B3 and D3. Now we take K6 from common, this K6, and we write inside B6 plus D6 over also B6, this B6 plus D6. Now this will cancel this, and also we write this K3 multiply K3 K6 and also B3 D3 over B3 this D3, and this will cancel, and you have K6 is equal to K6. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now this. Now we write the question number 5. This is the question number 5. First we write in fraction form PA plus B plus QB over P plus P into C plus D plus QD, this, and here A over C, this. Now again A over B is equal to C over D is equal to, now put here A over B is equal to K or A is equal to BK. Similarly C over D is equal to K and C is equal to DK. And here by putting A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK and 1. This is 1. Let's go. Now P and here A BK and plus B this and plus QB this over here also this. We now write this P, not P, P here. Now this again we write this P this into BK this and this plus B this plus QB over P into CDK this and plus D this plus QD is equal to, here A is equal to BK over CK, BK over DK. This will cancel this, and we have only B over D. From this we take B common from this, and PB, and we write this not PBK, we only take B, this B, and this B, this, and inside PK plus 1, this, and here plus Q, this, over, we take D common from this D, and this D, and this D. We write inside this PK plus P plus P also here, P, and plus Q, this, and is equal to this. This cancel this will cancel this, and you have B over D. B over D is equal to B over D is equal to left hand side is equal to right hand side, this. Now see here again, this P, only B common from this, and this, we take out this B. Now PK plus P and only B, only Q, sorry, this Q. And similarly we take here D common from this, and inside of PK, P and plus Q, and this will cancel this, you have this. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now this is the fifth part of this. Now this is the sixth part. Again we write in fraction A square plus B square over A3 A plus B is equal to C square plus D square over C3 over C plus D. And we again write this A square plus B square, now this, and reciprocal, this fraction over fraction, this we write the reciprocal of this, it means into A plus B over A3 is equal to C square plus D square, and we also this is fraction over fraction, and write the reciprocal of this, it means C plus D over C3. Now again we put A over B is equal to C over D is equal to K, and here A over B K is equal to A B K, and here C over D is equal to K and C is equal to D K. By putting A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK, then we write here this A BK, we square write this plus B square, okay, and we write this in this also A BK, this plus B over A3, this A3, okay, and we write this PK and 3 is equal to this, and here we write this C square, we write this DK square, this plus D square, and again we also write this dk, this c dk plus d over dk cube. This. Now again write this b square k square plus b square. Now this we write. Now here also bk plus b over b cube k cube is equal to d square and k square and plus d square. This d square. Again we write this in brackets. Also bracket is this, and dk plus d over this d3 and k3. Now take b common from this and also b from this, and we write this b square from this, b square, and b also from this, here this b, and we write this k square plus 1, or here also k plus 1, because b is out, there is also b we take common from, over this b3 k3 is equal to, now also we take d common from this d common from this, d square, and d from this, and here we write k square and plus 1, or here also k plus 1, because we have take d common from this d, over d3 k3. Now b3, this, into write this k square plus 1 and k plus 1 in the denominator, b3 and k3 is equal to, here we write d3 and into k square plus 1 and into k plus 1 also in the denominator, d3 k3. Now we write this, b cancel this and d cancel this, and you have here remaining k square plus 1 into k plus 1 in the denominator k3 is equal to, we have also k square plus 1 into this k plus 1, okay, over k3. Now we see this, the side and this side, compare both sides, and this side is equal to this side. We write here LHS is equal to RHS. Now this is our fourth part. This is our sixth part. This is our sixth part. Now this is our seventh part. Now seventh part of this, it is also written in ratio form. We write first in fraction form, a over a minus b fraction. This a plus b over b is equal to c over c minus d over c plus d over d. We write again a over a minus b multiply, this will be fraction over fraction, or we write the reciprocal of this, b over a plus b, okay, is equal to, similarly, c over c minus d multiply, this means d over c plus d, not this, and we write ab over a minus b into a plus b, again is equal to cd over c minus d and c plus d. Okay. Now we know that a over b is equal to c over d is equal to k, and right here a over b is equal to k, here a is equal to bk. Similarly, C over D is equal to K and C is equal to DK. Now by putting, again we write this A B over, this is A minus B, this is plus AB, we write A square minus B square, and is equal to also C D over C minus D C plus, and we write this C minus D multiple C plus D, we write C square minus D square. Now we put the values of A is equal to BK by putting BK this and BK into B over here also BK square minus B square is equal to C is equal to DK into D and DK square minus D square is equal to also B square K, B square K. Now again in the denominator B square and K square plus minus B square is equal to this D square K over D square K square minus D square. We take B common from this, B square K, B common as this and this out, inside K square minus 1 is equal to also D square K over, we take D square common from this, or inside K square minus 1. Now this B square will cancel this will cancel this, and we have K over K square minus 1 is equal to K also over K square minus 1, and we see that this side is equal to this side and right hand side is equal to left hand side. Now we have, this is the seventh part of this question. Now we write this is our question number 2.